wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best tattoo kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Solong TK356 comes with a set of wrap coils designed to let its guns produce vibrant colors and heavy shading. It also includes 10 different sizes of stainless steel tip, as well as small, medium, and large mixing cups. It's value priced for beginners and includes aluminum alloy grips, but the inks are a bit watered down. At number 6, the Hildbrandt Advanced includes the company's shader and liner that you can continue using past the apprentice phase of your career. While some of the accessories are not of the same quality, these machines are worth the high price. It comes with 7 colors and training materials, however the foot pedal is plastic. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Dragonhawk Complete lives up to its name as it has everything you need to get started. It includes 9 machines that are lightweight and designed to not vibrate too much, some of which are decorated with eye-catching designs. It comes with practice skin in a locking travel case, but the power box can be finicky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Stigma rotary pen is a cordless option that runs on rechargeable batteries that provide about 6 hours of use per charge. The set comes with grip tape to wrap around the base of the machine, as well as a sturdy carrying case. It's easy to adjust the output voltage, and it includes 20 sterilized cartridges. However, it doesn't come with any ink. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Rehab Complete comes with a bottle holder shaped like a skull and 7 colors of Mom's Millennium ink, as well as a 2-sided piece of fake skin for practicing and a convenient LED work light. The 2 machines are equipped with high-quality brass contacts. It features accurate needle placement, a stainless steel foot pedal, and aftercare ointment. At number 2, newcomers to the trade will make good use of the instructional materials that come with the Pirate Face Grinder. The 2-hour DVD and 240-page booklet cover all the fundamentals and offer useful advice for planning out your career. It comes with 8 stainless steel tips, 7 bottles of ink, and a 6-month warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Dragonhawk Rotary Pen Machine is a fine selection for new and seasoned artists alike. Its ergonomic shape makes for easy work, both lining and shading, and at a mere 82 grams shouldn't tire your hand out too quickly. The motor is rated for over 3,000 hours, and the cartridges swap out easily. The machine is also available on its own. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tattoo kits, or simply click beneath this video.